Hello guys, welcome to Visual Food Hub. Let's make this easy sausage curry. I took 3 bell pepper and I cut it like this. Also slice green pepperoni. Cut the spring onion. Cut the sausages like this. Coriander leaves. Add the sausages into the pan. Don't add oil because sausages contain fat, and as they heat up they will release their own oil, so use it that. You can see how much oil comes out of the sausages. That's why I told you not to add any cooking oil. You can add onion now and fry it in the sausage oil. if you would like. Normally I add it at this point, but I forgot to buy the onion. Once sausage is fried well, add the bell pepper and let it cook. For this curry you don't need much spices, so I'm not adding that much of spices. The only thing I am adding here is curry powder and little bit of chili. Also I'm not adding salt because in these sausages it has salt too. I also forgot to buy tomatoes, so I'm using tomato sauce we usually use for cooking. Add less than half glass of water. Add green pepperonis. Add spring onions. Also add coriander leaves and mix it well. The curry is ready, so let's serve it onto the plate. Hey guys, what do you think of the sausage curry? Drop your thoughts in the comments. So let's enjoy it.